We've got you in it. What colour kitchen have you gone for?
Sorry?
What colour is the kitchen that you've chosen?
I think it's a, to be honest, I think it's a
Light grey, wasn't it?
light grey.
Yeah, I like grey. Sometimes they have the picture on here now, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's nice. It's got profiles. So we are in Fleet today. I know you might be thinking we're always in Fleet, but we are doing a different kitchen this time. So currently ripping out this kitchen here, and got some. That's all coming out. So we are fitting a Milano kitchen. So it's light grey, got some dark profiles, and the tech walls going as well, replacing the glass. Right, kitchen's all been stripped out, and the other side. So Martin's just building some of the units. So there's going to be, that whole wall is going to be just tool units, fridges in the middle, and then we'll put a tool unit on the other side. So we've got quite a big unit, 1,000 on one side fridge, then we've got an 800. So I'll pretty much take up most of that wall. And then on this side, so now we've removed everything. Our gas is kept off, any electrics has been isolated while we work, and then I'm currently redoing some plumbing here. So I want to connect on and put some fresh plumbing across the wall here. I'm going to run a cold feed right for the dishwasher and the washing machine, and just a hot feed just there, and that's about it really. There's nothing else connected onto that. So there we go. I've done my little bit of plumbing there. So we've got a new valve, a lever valve, because the original isolation isn't working. We've got one for the hot water, which you can access through the cupboard as well. We've got two for hot and cold for the tap when we put in that unit. And we've got one. But we are on day 2. Well, all of the basics are in place, all screwed to the wall. Plumbing's all done, dishwasher's in, washing machine's in. I'm going to be on this side tackling the 2 tool units, and then we've got a unit going in between these 2 up there, so we'll put it out just now. Get all the worktops in, just an L shape, and then we've got a tech wall that we're going to put on the walls. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Right, you do your thing.
You'll face it up and then go on that.
We are back on day 3, carrying on with this kitchen. So it's getting there, it's getting there. We've decided to do the tech wall. We're going to go all the way to the ceiling there, and then we're going to put the extractor fan on that side. So it'll look more complete, so I think that'll look nice. And we've got a bit more tech wall to go across here. So I'm going to tackle that now. Now this side's pretty much done. Here do some fillers, got the plinths, more fillers, got the cornice on the top. Yeah, that's how it's looking so far. So I'm going to tackle the extractor now. Let's get it on the way. the kitchen called?
Pebble. Pebble grey.
Pebble Grey.